So, good morning everyone, especially to you ma'am. This is my name is Christopher Valdez and this is my presentation. So, banana and ginger system. So, banana, so scientific name is Musa pardisoica or Musa cavendish. So, family name is Musaceae and genus is Musa. So bananas, the beloved fruit of tropical regions, have a rich history and global significance known scientifically as Musa spp. Bananas are members of the Musaceae family and are cultivated in over 150 countries, primarily in warm, humid climate. So ang bananas is nag-cultivate na siya over 150 countries dito sa kalibutan. Especially sa katong mga weather is nindot. With their distinctive elongated shape and vibrant yellow peel, bananas are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. No. So ang kaning banana is dili din siya prutas lang. Naapod ni siya essentials nutrients nga makuha niya, especially the potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber. So sa mga naga-diet ra, recommended jud ang saging, no. So this is the crop management of banana. First is site selection. So site selection, choose a site with well-drained soil, preferably loamy or sandy loam, rich in organic matter. Avoid areas prone to waterlogging as bananas are sensitive to excessive moisture. So sa pagpili og site selection guys, no, before ka magtanom is you must site the well-drained soil or kanang uga, tama lang ang yuta, dili siya basa, dili siya basa, dili siya lapok, or pwede sa like tambok siya nga yuta or balasun, basta rich in organic matter. So dapat i-avoid na to ang pag over waterlogging, kay ang banana is dali ra siya malata and sensitive siya sa excessive moisture rather. So land preparation, so prepare the land by clearing weeds, rocks, and debris. Incorporate organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil structure, fertility, and moisture retention. So sa land preparation guys, you must prepare the land by limpyuhan nimo siya, kuhaan nimo siya sagbot, bato-bato, or etc. Or mga nakasagabal ana niya sa pagtanom nimo. So incorporate kay para mas ma-improve na to ang soil structure, fertility, and etc. So planting material, select a healthy and disease-free planting material such as a suckers or tissues cultured plantlets from reputable source. Ensure that the planting material is free from pesticides and physical damage. So sa plant material guys is dapat mag-select ta og kanang suckers nga kanang wala siya disease or disease free siya before nimo siya itanom, kay para healthy ang imuhang saging og dili siya dayon madaot. So sa planting, so plant the suckers or plantlet at the recommended spacing and depth, ensuring proper alignment and orientation. Planting should be done during the rainy season or when irrigation is available to promote establishment. So sa pagplant guys is recommended yun ang spacing guys, kay lisod sad magtanom ka og saging nga dikit-dikit. So kailangan na yun ang spacing. Then dapat pag magtanom ka og saging guys is rainy season siya or nakay available nga water resources nga makuhaan, kay dili man na pwede og kanang mura nang itanom dira nya, dili nimo bisan, no. So last is irrigation. So irrigation indicate irrigation to maintain soil moisture levels especially during dry periods. Para sa akong giingon, sa ano mo pagtalom-talom ka dira, magtalom-talom ra ka dira nya, dili nimo bisbisan. So importante jud ang irrigation, kay kun dili walay ulan, na kay irrigation or na kay water resources nga makuhaan para sa imuhang tanom. So ginger, so scientific name is the Gingiber officinale, family name is Gingiberaceae, and this genus is Gingiber. So ginger, scientifically known as Gingiber officinale, is a flowering plant that belongs to the Gingiberaceae family, revered from both its culinary and medicinal properties. Ginger has long history sa various cultures around the world. So ang ginger daw guys is dili lang siya kanang dili lang siya nga pangsagol sa sudan, siya spices nga ibutang nimo isagol nimo bisag unsa or sa sudan. Pwede po niya siya itambal guys, medicinal na po niya siya medicinal properties, daghan po niya siya og matambalan. So, originating from the Southeast Asia, particularly in India and China, ginger has been cultivated for over 4,000 years. So, na-cultivate na dyan ang 4,000 ang luyano or ginger over 4,000 years in present no hantud karon no dugan ni kaayo. It spread to other parts of the Asia including Japan and the Middle East before reaching Europe and eventually to the Americas through trade routes and exploration. So called dear so mo ni ang cultural management sa ato ang ginger. So first is site selection. Site selection, choose a well-drained location with loamy or sandy soil rich in organic matter. Avoid waterlogged or compacted soils or they can hinder root development and lead to disease problems. So sa pagpili sa site selection guys is dapat well drained jud siya guys no medyo uga siya ha. Medyo uga lang ha, dili kayo kanang uga jud kaayo. Uga siya kanang basta kay dili lang siya dili siya lapok or loamy di siya lapok. So pwede siya loamy pwede siya tambok or diba balasun siya basta rich in organic matter, same lang sila sa banana. So dapat i-avoid po na to ang waterlogged guys kay if dali lang if makuan man siya overwatering niya siya guys is dali rin siya malata. So land preparation, you must prepare the land by blowing or tilling to loosen the soil and remove weeds and debris. Incorporate organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil fertility and structure. So sa land preparation guys is you must prepare a land nga dapat limpyuhan nimo siya para lang gyapon sa saging di susad pag magtanom ta nya dili na to limpyuhan. So dapat limpyuhan jud nato sa ta magtanom. So tanggalon nato ang mga sagbot and other more nga kanang sagabal sa ato ang pagtanom kay para mas ma-improve na to ang soil fertility ug ang structure. So, planting materials. So, planting must select a healthy disease-free rhizomes for planting. So, sa pagpili nato og kanang murag iyahang sa pagpili nato og kanang para itanom, kailangan nato siya kailangan siya og kailangan healthy siya og kanang disease-free siya. Then choose the rhizome with firm, plump buds or eyes and no signs of rot or damage. So, sa pagpili nato og rhizomes guys, saan nato siya itanom guys? Kay kailangan siya kailangan ba siya damage o kailangan iyang mata na siya yung mata ay para dali ra iyang pagtubo. So plant the rhizomes in shallow furrows or trenches spaced about 8 to 12 inches apart and with raw space 24 to 36 inches apart. Plant them with the buds facing upwards at a depth of 2 to 4 inches. Ensure adequate spacing for proper root and shoot development. So sa pagplant na to guys is kailangan ang rhizomes guys is na siya kahawan sa 8 to 12 inches din ang iyahang kalagyo guys is 24 to 36 inches apart. So pag magplant po sa to ang rhizomes is kailangan ang iyahang kalawmon is 2 to 4 inches para ma-ensure na to ang adequate spacing for proper root and shoot development para dili siya dikit-dikit ba. So last is irrigation. Irrigation provide regular irrigation to maintain soil moisture levels, especially during dry periods or in absence of rainfall. Avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot, fungal disease. Drip and irrigation or furrow irrigation system are commonly used for efficient water management. So every guys every tanom guys is importante jud ang irrigation or water resources na kay water resources nga makuhaan, especially when dry season or walay ulan. So importante jud ang irrigation especially sa kwan. Same lang ni sila sa bananas jud guys, dapat nato gamit jud siya especially dry season ug dapat dili nato siya overwatering kay as I said gani dali ra siya malata iyang ugat, malata iyang unod na possible nga mamatay siya. Thank you. And that would be all. Thank you ma'am. Bye.